Hi, I'm Thomas Hoffmann with Hoffmann Machine Company, and this is our model CBM manual and profiling machine. Planned on glazing bars or glazing cassettes are the modern way to create the aesthetics of Georgian windows. For the counter-profile cutting of the glazing bars themselves, Hoffmann have designed this dedicated machine. The pre-cut glazing bar is positioned between the fence stops and with the end touching the rear stop. After adjusting the clamp, it is locked in position. The clamp switch is activated and the router motors switched on. The router carriage is then drawn manually across half of the profile width and then pushed into the opposite direction to complete the cut. A safety design feature ensures that the motors can only be switched on when the clamp switch is activated. The cutting direction of the left and right-hand router motors ensure a clean cut without any breakout. When setting up, the router bits are first secured in the motors, one right, one left. The router bits, so to speak the motors, are adjusted with the assistance of fine adjustment screws for horizontal and lateral alignment, and with stop screws for the height adjustment. These fine settings ensure the perfect alignment of the routers to each other. Additionally, the end stop for positioning the glazing bar can be adjusted to produce a perfect counter-profile cut. Thank you for choosing Hoffmann. For further information, please visit our website or call us at any time.